Hello, bachcho. So let's read this question. Which of the following statement is are true regarding the esterification of carboxylic acid with an alcohol? First, it is carried out in the presence of strong acid, which acts as a catalyst. Second, the strong acid makes the carbonyl carbon more electrophilic and hence causes the alcohol, a strong nucleophile, to attack on the carbonyl carbon. And third, the strong acid makes the carbonyl group more electrophilic, which thus attacked easily by an alcohol, a weak nucleophile. Fourth, esterification can be done in the absence of a strong acid, and these are the options which are provided to us to choose from. अगर हम इसका key concept लिखें, now let us understand esterification in the key concept. So esterification. Now if we talk about esterification, तो हमारे जो carboxylic acids होते हैं, carboxylic acids are esterified with alcohols or phenols in the presence of a mineral acid such as concentrated H2SO4 or HCl gas. And these concentrated H2SO4 or HCl gas acts as a catalyst. Now, if we talk about the mechanism of esterification, first of all, let us write the generalized reaction or the final reaction which is involved in esterification. तो हमारा एक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है जो कि ऐड होता है अल्कोहल में and then H plus ion के presence में it is converted into ester RCOO R dash plus H2O. तो ये हमारा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है. In alcohol is getting converted to ester in the presence of H plus ion and water. So if we talk about the mechanism of esterification, क्योंकि हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है it is based on the mechanism of esterification. Mechanism of esterification. Mechanism of esterification में पहला important point आता है हमारा it is a nucleophilic acyl substitution. Nucleophilic acyl substitution. Then protonation of the carbonyl oxygen activates the carbonyl group. Activates the carbonyl group towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Addition reaction. Of the alcohol. तो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन ऑफ द अल्कोहल में हेल्प करता है हमारा प्रोटोनेशन ऑफ द कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन विच एक्टिवेट्स द कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप. सो हमारा प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफर भी होता है इन दी टेट्राहेड्रल इंटरमीडिएट. लेट अस नाउ ड्रॉ दी स्ट्रक्चर्स देन इट विल बिकम मोर क्लियर. अगर हम बात करें मैकेनिज्म की, हमारे पहले दो स्टेप से ही ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो जाएगा. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ा हो तो हमारा को CH3C डबल बॉन्ड O which has unpaired electrons or we can say unbonded electrons OH. This is our carboxylic acid which is converted into प्रोटोनेटेड एसिड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ H plus ion. So ये हमारा बनता है CH3COH double bond OH, and we have unpaired unbonded electrons over here and positive sign. So this bond gives over here, and then we are reacting this with R dash OH, O pair again unbonded electrons, and this is then forming the tetrahedral intermediate, which looks somewhat like this: CH3 COH and then OH, then HOR positive. Then proton transfer takes place. Proton transfer takes place. CH3 C O R dash OH positive, O पे positive, and then H इधर से एक रिलीज हो जाता है, and OH, then O पे again दो electrons present है. This will attack this bond, and H2O is released. We can say eliminated H2O. तो जब H2O हमारा eliminate हो जाता है, so we are left with CH3 C double bond OH, O पे positive sign, and OR dash. Now this is the protonated ester. Then हमारा जो आता है, it is ester is formed जब हमारा H plus ion भी released हो जाता है. When we eliminate the H plus ion. So our final ester is formed, OR dash. So this is our protonated acid, which is formed, and this is our protonated ester. तो अगर हम बात करें इसमें कार्बोनाइल जो कार्बन होता है हमारा, we discussed about this also. The carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic. Electrophilic मतलब उसकी tendency to gain electron ज़्यादा होती है than the parent acid. Electrophilic than that of parent acid. जो हमारा पेरेंट एसिड में कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड कार्बोनाइल कार्बन प्रेजेंट है, उससे ज्यादा कार्बोनाइल कार्बन इसका इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक होता है, जो हमारा प्रोटोनेटेड एसिड बन के आया है. So if we talk about the question and the options that are given to us, तो अगर हम फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट देखें, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट हमें कह रही है it is carried out in the presence of strong acid which acts as a catalyst, which is true. We saw it in this key concept itself. Now if we talk about the second statement, the strong acid makes the carbonyl carbon more electrophilic and hence causes the alcohol, a strong nucleophile, to attack on the carbonyl group, which is false. This statement is false. The strong acid acts as a catalyst. So the strong acid makes the carbonyl group more electrophilic, which is true in the statement which is given, and which is attacked easily by an alcohol. It does not make alcohol a strong nucleophile. It's just that alcohol is a weak nucleophile by itself. जो हमारा strong acid होता है वो carbonyl group को electrophilic बना देता है, और इससे क्या होता है, जो हमारा अटैक इट इज इजीली अटैक्ड बाय एन अल्कोहल. तो हमारे को अगर थर्ड स्टेटमेंट हम देखें, द स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड मेक्स द कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप मोर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक विच इज दस अटैक्ड बाय इजीली बाय एन अल्कोहल, अ वीक nucleophile, which is true. Esterification can be done even in the absence of a strong acid, which is false again, क्योंकि हमारे का strong acid is required as a catalyst to for carboxylic acids to get esterified into esters. So हमारा first and third statements are true. तो हमारा option number B will be the right answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.